Oak. We were here a couple of years ago. You'll see a lot of familiar faces out there. Hope you enjoy this portion of the show. A lot of great talent in that, this afternoon. How about that? Lord, help me walk another mile, just one more mile. I'm tired of walking all alone. Smile, another smile, just one more smile. You know I just can't make it on my own. Never thought I needed help before. I thought that I could get by myself. From your golden throne to me, too lonely me. I need to feel the touch of your tender hand. Remove the chains of darkness. Let me see, Lord, let me see just where I fit into your master plan. I thought that I could get by